Hello YouTube, I'm Leo Star Soldier and I'm going to show you my Knights and Star Wars Army updates. First are the Knights. I found my Knights, which is very cool. I found 2 archers with knives and spears. And I found my other horse, and I found my 4th skeleton with the knives, and I found 2 white clones, yeah, and I got 10 clones with the others, and I built the Lego architecture and Empire State Building out of my parts. Oh yeah, it's very cool. And yeah. So bye, please rate, comment and subscribe.